Welcome to VidasJobs.com. Hiring to voice process refers to the handling of customer inquiries, issues, and support via voice communication channels such as telephone calls. This is our journey and our milestones. In a voice process, customers call a designated phone number to speak with trained customer service representatives who are responsible for providing solutions, answering questions, and resolving issues related to a company's products or services. Voice processes are typically used in call centers or customer service departments, where agents handle a high volume of incoming calls from customers. These agents are trained to provide quality customer service and to handle customer issues efficiently and effectively. Voice processes may also involve the use of interactive voice response (IVR) technology, which allows customers to interact with a computerized system that provides automated responses and can help route calls to the appropriate agent. In recent years, with the advancements in technology, voice processes have also incorporated artificial intelligence (AI) and chatbots, which can provide immediate responses and help customers with common queries, thereby reducing wait times and improving the overall customer experience. Apply your resume or website with VidasJobs.com. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, comment and share.